In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy a domain name and hosting using HostCreed. Step 1. Go to HostCreed.com. From the top menu, click on Hosting and select one of our hosting categories. For this demo, I'll go with Shared Hosting. Step 2. Select the plan that best fits your need. I'll choose one for this example. Next, you'll be asked to choose your domain. Here, you can register a new domain, transfer your domain from another registrar, or use an existing domain and update the name servers. For this demo, I'll register a new domain. Step 4. Now select your hosting billing cycle. We offer monthly, quarterly, semi-annual, and annual options. For this video, I'll select the annual plan. Step 5. You'll also see optional add-ons like DNS management. For this demo, I'll skip them and move forward. Step 6. The cart will now display all your items with a full price breakdown. Review the order and click Continue. Step 7. At this stage, you'll need to create a new account with HostCreed or log in if you're an existing customer. I'll log into my account. Step 8. Once logged in, it's time to choose a payment method. HostCreed offers 3 payment options: Paystack, Cryptomus for cryptocurrency payments, and bank transfer for Nigerians only. For this demo, I'll be using Paystack. Step 9. With Paystack, you can pay using your card, direct transfer, or other available options. For this video, I'll choose transfer. Paystack will generate a one-time bank account number for this payment. I'll send the funds to that account. After completing the payment, simply wait for confirmation. Once your payment is verified, your order will be successful, and your hosting account will be activated. And that's it. You've just learned how to buy a domain name and hosting from HostCreed. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.